Okay, here we are showing the results of our custom command and telemetry configuration as seen in the relevant portion of the window of the control panel. And here are the toggle switches that turn on the two tests that generate data over time. We'll start with the state test. We'll turn it on, and we'll see the gauge over here going up and down. And when it goes beyond one of its safety thresholds, it changes the background color and also triggers a message to appear in the message pod on the right-hand side. And similarly, when the value gets below what we had saved as the safe minimum, then it also triggers an alert condition. So we will stop this one and run the stream test, which we don't have a widget created yet for the for an oscilloscope graphing type situation. So we're just putting the data into a text field so that we can test to see that the data got there as we expected it to. And there it goes. We have our 2-byte unsigned integer value first, followed by an integer timestamp value. And then our other test was just showing that first of all, when we click one of the test items, it updates the radio button, and then also the category is calculated and displayed in this telemetry only group over here. If we click on flint, then it says that's category mineral, and when we click on rabbit, we get category animal. And all of this can be running at the same time. That's not a problem. And so there you have it. And that is it.